Welcome to the Midwest Picker YouTube channel. This is a What Sold on eBay video. My name is Joey. Midwest Picker is sick, so he asked me to make this video. I'm wearing a mask so you don't see my lips move. That might freak you out. Ha ha ha. In this video, I will tell you how much the item sold for, how much Midwest Picker paid for it, how it shipped, if it was sold using promoted listings or a sale, and the best part, would Midwest Picker buy the same item again? Okay, let's get started. First item is this 1959 Royal Copenhagen plaquette from Denmark. Cost of goods was a mere 18 cents. He sourced this from a high-bid auction. This sold for $14.95. It was promoted at 2% but was not on sale. Buyer paid a flat $5 for first-class shipping. Would he buy again? I'm guessing he would. Next, a Diet Coke glass tumbler. Cost of goods was $1, sourced from a Goodwill store. This was listed for $9.95 but he took a best offer of only $8. That was kind of stupid. This was not promoted and was not on sale. The buyer paid a flat $5 for first-class shipping. Would he buy again? I would hope not. Next is yet another 1959 Royal Copenhagen collector plate, going to the same buyer. They must really like these plates. Same information as the first plate as far as cost, etc. Next are two Texas shot glasses. Get a dog, little Lonnie, ha ha ha. Cost of goods was a measly 14 cents. These were sourced from a high-bid auction. These were listed for $19.95, then they were put on sale 20% off for $15.96 with free shipping. Then, to make matters worse, he promoted these at 2%. Great way to lose money if you ask me. Would he buy again? Probably not. With terrible decisions like this, it's no wonder why I only get a hat for Christmas. This next one is crazy good. It's a real rip snorter. This is a US Navy button, from the Civil War period or later, not from a dig. Excellent condition. Cost of goods was a whopper at 20 cents, listed for $49.95. He took a best offer of $40. Blimey mate, that's a good deal. Hats off to you. Sourced again from a high-bid auction, one large lot of about 77 buttons total, was not promoted, was not on sale, shipped first-class free. Would he buy again? I sure as kangaroo meat hope so, cracky. If he made more deals like this, maybe he could afford to buy me some legs. Next are some IKEA curtain rod ends, still new. Cost of goods was $2.99, sourced from a Salvation Army store, listed for $18.95. This bloke took a best offer of $17. Here we go again. At least it wasn't promoted or on sale. First-class shipping was free. Would he buy again? Probably. One moment please. Midwest Picker needs to tell me something. Okay. He wanted to remind me to watch my language because this is a family-friendly channel. Next is an industrial part. I'm not sure what this is because I've never worked a day in my life. It says it's a Spears brand plastic ball valve. Cost of goods was $7.50. Wow, big spender. Listed and sold for $49.95. Not bad. It was not promoted, was not on sale, and finally, the buyer paid calculated shipping. Would he buy again? Yes, he would. Next is a model train car. Seems like he sells something like this every week. If you guys can source anything model train related, I recommend you buy it. Cost of goods was $1.87 from an antique toy auction, listed and sold for $19.95 even though it's broken and missing parts. Buyer paid a flat $3 for first-class shipping. It was promoted at 2% but not on sale. Thank goodness. Would he buy again? You bet your bloomers he would. Next item is a sign that Midwest Picker was just getting lazy. He just sold the whole lot of buttons, 54 in all, cost of goods around $10, sourced from that high bid auction, listed for $99.95. Wow, then he took a best offer of $80. Not sure I would have done that, and of course he did, free shipping. Was promoted at 2% but not on sale. Would he buy again? Yes, if he could source them this cheap again. Next is some lady product, Organic Australia ham mask, whatever that is. Cost of goods was way too much, $13.50, sourced from a Burlington coat factory store clearance section, listed for $59.96. Well, isn't that a dog's breakfast? Then he put them on sale 20% off for $47.96. Then the Okoyobo accepted an offer for $41. This was promoted at 2%. Please tell me he charged shipping. Yep, he's not a total mug. Buyer paid calculated shipping. Would he buy again? Let's hope not. Okay, next is a manly item. This is more like it, a Craftsman socket. Even I know what this is. Cost of goods was $2, sourced from a flea market, listed and sold for $14.95. Not promoted, not on sale. Buyer paid a flat $3 for first-class shipping. Would he buy again? Yes, if in good, clean condition. Next is an antique from 1917, that's even older than Harry Humstone. God bless the old bloke, looks to be a writing slate and speller from the old days. Cost of goods was $4.64 as part of a larger high bid lot, listed and sold for $39.95 plus calculated shipping, not on sale but was promoted at 2%. Would he buy again? Absolutely. Another lady product, Simple Vital Night Cream, okay. Cost of goods is unknown because he says he can't remember what he paid, but it was around $4, sourced from a retail store on clearance, listed and sold for $14.95, free shipping, not on sale but was promoted at 2%. Would he buy again? No. Here we go, finally a beauty product for men. Hopefully. BOLO's beard pomade, cost of goods $4, sourced from a retail pharmacy, listed for $12.95, then he put it on sale 20% off for $10.36, and you guessed it, free shipping. This was also promoted at 2%, crikey. Why bother? Would he buy again? No, because I won't let him. Next is a vintage original movie poster from 1987, for the movie The Principal. Cost of goods was $4, sourced from Brian Davis. Mr. Buys a Lot, Hercules, listed for $19.95, then put on sale 20% off for $13.96 and free first-class shipping, was also promoted at 2%. Would he buy again? Yes. Next is another plate that he got for 18 cents, a Bing & Grundle plate from Denmark, part of a high bid auction lot, listed for $14.95. He took a best offer of $13 and free first-class shipping. It was promoted at 2%. Would he buy again? Yes. Next is another Craftsman socket, yeehaw. Cost of goods was $2 from a flea market, listed for $14.95, then he took a best offer of $12 with free first-class shipping. Would he buy again? Yes. Last item is this handheld game catchphrase, cost of goods $0, listed and sold for $9.95 but took forever to sell. Buyer paid a flat $3 for first-class shipping. Would he buy this out in the bush, in the wild outback if he found one for sale? Probably not. That's the video, you blokes and Sheilas. Midwest Picker should be feeling better soon and back to making his own blimey videos. If you liked the video, give it the old thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already mate, and share this video out to someone who likes to resell. Maybe they'll get a chuckle out of it. Until next time, this is Joey, signing off.